In this video, I'm going to show you how to operate a solar-powered shade from Velux. So a couple of important things to know. One, you can get this shade installed in any of the standard size Velux products. That could be a fixed skylight, a manual venting skylight, or like the Skylight, a solar venting skylight. The shade itself is also solar powered, but essentially what that means is a battery powered unit. On the other side of this, on this carrier that travels up and down, is a solar panel. That harnesses daylight and keeps the battery charged, and that allows and gives it energy to travel up and down the rails here on the side. Don't be intimidated by any buttons, because this remote control is extremely simple. It's got an open, close, and stop feature, and I'm going to show you how it operates. So I've quickly just pressed the down button, and it's going to start traveling down the carriers. And really until your desired level. If you press nothing else, it's going to go all the way until it stops at the bottom of the skylight. So now that it's closed, I'm going to open it back up and show you how the stop feature works. So again, if you press nothing else, the skylight shade will open until it's fully open. But if I press the button here in the middle, it'll stop at a desired level. So it's really easy to use. This shade is great to increase energy efficiency in the window and also, of course, control the light. So if you're about to replace a skylight or thinking about a new skylight, definitely consider getting a solar powered shade. It's an awesome feature that you won't regret.